Okay, on to model sentence number 13. What we are learning in this model sentence is another type of sentence. So it would be good to review the 4 types of sentences with the students. Okay, we're looking at an imperative sentence, which is a command. So if we command people around to do something, that is called an imperative sentence. Walk carefully. Who or what walk carefully? Now, in imperative sentences, there is a subject noun, but it's not stated, it's implied. And the answer is implied you. In other words, what we're really saying when we say walk carefully is you walk carefully. So we're going to write it down in parentheses because it isn't actually part, or it is part of the sentence, but it's not written out as part or stated. And we'll label that as subject pronoun, because in this case it's not a noun, it's a pronoun, but it's still considered the subject. Okay, what's being said about subject or implied subject pronoun you? Walk, so walk is my verb. Walk how? Carefully. Carefully is an adverb. Now go to the end of my sentence. I have a period, but in this case I'm not making a declaration. This is not a statement. This is a command. So I'm going to say period, command, imperative sentence. And I'm going to put a little IMP there at the end of my sentence. Now I'm going to identify my pattern. This is still a subject noun verb pattern 1. So even though my subject is not stated, it's implied, but it is a pattern 1 sentence. Go back to my verb. Oh, I forgot my little check mark there. That's to check for prepositional phrases later on. Go back to my verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Now I am dividing my implied you from my complete predicate, which is valid. So that's what it looks like. Underline my simple subject 1. So I'll still underline my implied you and underline my verb twice. Is my sentence in a natural or inverted order? My sentence is still in a natural order. Even though I have an implied subject, it is on the correct side of the line. Circle my nouns. I will circle the pronoun here because it replaces a noun.